Very excited. We've heard so much about it, so we're excited to be here to experience it all.
Our friends with Yacht Technologies and family, so we've come here many times.
They are very excited and they are all prepared to be get color and water and everything. Ready, perfectly ready.
आज इंदौर में रंगारंग गेर निकलने वाली है और लोगों का यहाँ पहुँचने का सिलसिला शुरू हो चुका है। न केवल इंदौर या देश से बल्कि विदेश से भी लोग यहाँ पर पहुँचे। आपको तस्वीरों में हम दिखा रहे हैं जो गेस्ट यहाँ पर मौजूद है ये सभी यहाँ पर यूएस से आए हैं और यहाँ पर अब रंगारंग गेर में ये लोग शामिल होने वाले हैं। जो इनके सफेद कुर्ते इस वक्त चमक रहे हैं ये बाद में रंगों में आपको रंगे हुए नजर आएंगे। यहाँ के लोग जो यहाँ पर पहुंचे हैं उनका क्या कुछ कहना है इनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं। हेलो, हाय, व्हाट इज योर नेम एंड वेयर हैव यू कम फ्रॉम?
Coming from US, Don, Young, and Brenda.
Hi Brenda, how are you feeling? How are you? Are you excited to get involved in this gear program which you have come for?
Very excited. We've heard so much about it, so we're excited to be here to experience it all.
Yeah, is this the first time you are coming here?
No, been to Indoor. Friends with Yacht Technologies and family, so we've come here many times.
Achha,
But only time for this event.
Yeah,
Once.
but it is the first time for you to be involved in this gear program and all?
We did it in Udaipur.
Acha, you?
First time.
First time. So are you excited? Are you interested? And
Very
are you
excited.
very excited to just see all the things, all the visuals which will be coming?
Absolutely. We're looking at all the beautiful draping on the buildings and just setting the stage for a big celebration.
Have you ever seen the videos on Instagram or any of the social media platforms?
Yes, absolutely.
So are you comfortable with all those colors coming upon you and the water droplets which will be coming?
Oh yeah, we are. Our friends have kept us prepared. So
Yes.
So you have made them prepare for everything they are coming?
Yes, they are very excited and they are all prepared to be get color and water and everything.
What will you say?
Ready, perfectly ready.
You must have come many times for this gear
I have
program.
come. She's coming second time only.
Second time. So what have you given them as an advice to come here?
Be prepared to get some color stain, put oil to prepare, just ready to have fun.
So have you applied oil or the cream or ointment?
Not yet, but we're about to do that.
आप बताइए. Because see, you are seeing the pictures in their phone also, sir. What have you told them about the event which they are coming here to?
Yeah, so we told you about the whole Fag Utsav and gear and everything, and also they are very, very excited. So he tried to come in 2020 before pandemic, और उसके बाद में पैंडमिक हो गया तो वो आ नहीं पाया, दुबई से वापस चले गए. तो उसके बाद फिर मैं उनसे 5 साल से बोल रहा हूँ तो फाइनली यहाँ पर आए.
So sir, the last time you tried coming here, was that a heartbroken time for you because you tried to come here but because of pandemic it was not possible for you to come?
it was very difficult. So I had to end up staying in Dubai and flying back because of the pandemic. This time we landed in Dubai and got here just before the other problems.
Yeah, just because before the other problems they came here. But are you also coming from Dubai? So was the situation okay there?
Perfectly fine while we were there. We got out just in the nick of time and grateful to be here.
Yeah, so this time you are very much excited, and if it will be a great time for you, I guess you will be coming next year or the next to next
Oh
year.
yeah, we definitely come back.
Yeah.
Our daughter lives in Rishikesh, so we come back.
Oh,
Yeah.
your daughter lives in Rishikesh, India, it says.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
I love my Indore. I love Holi. I come every year just to celebrate Holi.
क्या बात है। बिल्कुल, तो आप देख रहे थे लोग जो यूएस से यहाँ पर पहुंचे हैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं और बस कुछ ही देर में गेर निकलेगी जिसके लिए ये लोग सभी अब यहाँ पर तैयार खड़े हैं। यूएस से आए हैं, यूएस से दुबई, दुबई से इंदौर, और अब उसके लिए ये लोग कितने ज्यादा प्रिपेयर्ड है वो मैंने आपको तस्वीरों में दिखाया। कैमरामैन संतोष जटवन के साथ निहारिका शर्मा, IBC 24 इंदौर।